I'm back. I got my big giant Paw Patrol boat. My boat can talk. It can also drive. And the buoy can do like that. Dad, can you get this? It's not. Gotcha. And you put that and sit it like that. And the crane, you do like this. And you hang. And then next, you will move the gloves. Then you get him. Then you hold him. Then you wiggle. Then I put this snow here. Then wider, just like that. Then you just like this. Then that. I cannot insert it, but I can insert.
So what's happening with your boat?
He's staying here and Mario is stuck. And Rocky is going to save him. Chase just like this for Rocky to see where's Mario. And Rocky is going to get him. Rocky was going to get Mario. And suddenly, when he was going to pick up Mario, suddenly Dad, I'm going to hit him here. And suddenly, there was an owlet coming. A big owlet. Rocky's in trouble. Trouble is on the wood. Save Mario. That's the end. Bye bye, my friends.